the Apapa Oshodi Express here. From here to the Apapa Wharf is just... Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu Ademulegun. If you are here for the first time, you're welcome. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. Today, I'm bringing you an opportunity. And this is a warehouse that I have for sale. And the entire size is 1.692 hectares, and that's about 4.181 acres. So it's on 1.692 hectares and 4.181 acres. So if this is what you like to see, you need to sit, relax, and enjoy this video. Not just enjoy this video, if you have someone that is in need of a warehouse, then you can reach out to me. I'm just going to go around and show you what it looks like before we conclude the video. Thank you. It's a very large property. Trailers can turn in this place conveniently. Like I mentioned earlier, the warehouse is on a total land area of 1.692 hectares, which is 4.181 acres. And this place is covered by a Lagos State Government Certificate of Occupancy, that is COO. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and click on that subscribe icon. If you haven't clicked on the like icon also for me as you're watching this video, please do that right now. It's your way of saying, Tolu, well done. I like what you're doing. Keep it up. Also click on the bell icon and change the notification from personalized to all. That way you will not miss my videos when I upload content. Please share this video with big business owners that may be interested in getting a warehouse. It's just 16 kilometers to the Apapa Wharf. Thank you. There are 7 bays. Bay 1 and 2 have varying sizes. Bay 1 is 4,634 square feet. Bay 2 is 16,112 square feet, while Bay 3 to 7 are 17,500 square feet each, which gives us a total of 108,246 square feet. A lot of trailers can operate in this place efficiently without being hindered. There are 2 in here right now. See how large the warehouse is. I can't show you inside because it already has tenants. There is a cold room attached to Bay 2, which is about 1,500 square feet. For the cold room, there is a refrigeration unit that works. Also, there is approximately 12,000 square feet office block. The bays have top-tier companies as tenants. So if you're buying this and you intend to use it as a warehouse, you have ready quality clients. All the bays are occupied. This place was operating as a factory before it was converted to a warehouse. Whatever you want to use this place for, the tenants are aware that this place is now for sale. The warehouse is fully functional and the environment is well kept. This place is just off the Apapa Oshodi Expressway. The proximity from this place to Apapa Wharf is about 16 kilometers. Let me show you around quickly and show you a bit of the administrative block before we end this video. This is the water tank. Its capacity is 20,000 gallons. It was used when the factory was running. There are also diesel tanks on that side. Let's take a quick walk down this place. The driver's office building here. We also have an 11 kVA transformer and it's on right now. Here is a 20 kVA generator. This is the other side of the warehouse. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me click on the like icon while you're watching this video. And please do me a favor. Please help me share this video with potential buyers, owners of big businesses that are thinking of expanding and are in need of a warehouse. Thank you. We are back to where I started the video. Let me take you inside briefly before we end this video. Remember, the title for this property is Sea of O and it's on 1.692 hectares. For more information about the price, please reach out to me. My number is right here on your screen. Thank you. It's a long stretch of offices. Look at it all the way. If you're interested in this, reach out to me. My number is right here on your screen. And this is for only serious buyers. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. I just showed you this warehouse and it is on 1.692 hectares just off the Apapa Oshodi expressway. So if you're interested in this, you need to reach out to me. Right now my number is right here on your screen. Only ready and very serious buyers. Thank you for watching. Bye and see you in my next one.